This is my new cup. Do you like it? Imagine this is a precious showpiece kept in a museum. Some burglars want to steal it, but we don't want burglars to steal it as it is very precious. We need an anti-burglar alarm system. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build an anti-burglar alarm system. So let's start making it. Firstly, let's get to know the parts. This is the power cable. It gives the power to the overall circuit when turned on. This is a distance sensor. If an object is kept in front of the sensor or moves away from it, then it senses the distance between it and the object and sends the signal to the circuit accordingly. This is the invert sensor. When a signal is sent back to the circuit, it can be translated into the opposite way. And this is the buzzer which will be used for the alarm. Now that we know our parts, let's start building the circuit. So first connect the power cable to the distance sensor. Then connect the distance sensor to the invert sensor. After that, connect the invert sensor to the buzzer. Then I am going to put it on this box. Now that the setup is ready, let's keep the precious showpiece in front of the sensor, like this. Let's power it on. And as soon as the burglar tries to steal it, the alarm goes on. And the only way to stop it is putting the object back into the place. Like this. So I hope you enjoyed this project. If you find this video useful, then please like, comment and share. And like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.